If you want to download your account data from Venmo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you get all the information you need. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your data. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the profile icon in the upper left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This section contains options related to your account's privacy settings and data management. Step 4. Request your data. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check the email associated with your Venmo account. You will receive a link to download your data once it is ready. Follow the instructions in the email to access your data. By following these steps, you can easily download your Venmo account data. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.